everyone, welcome back to One to Step. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to delete Openai account. So if you are willing to delete your Openai account but don't know how to, then this video is for you. Watch till the end to know how to delete your Openai account. So to get started, first of all, head over to your Google Chrome browser and search for openai.com and make sure that you are logged into your Openai account. Once you end up in the main home page, go and click on Help button at the top right corner and click on Send us a message under Start a conversation. Now click on the account option at the bottom right and follow through the on-screen prompt. Select if you like to delete your account. Account deletion is permanent and will remove data associated with your account, so you won't be able to make an account again in the future. If you want to permanently delete your account, click on My Account and confirm your account deletion by clicking on Yes, Delete My Account option. If you like to continue, and it may now take 1 to 2 weeks for your account deletion process to be completed. You will be updated in your email associated with this account if your deletion process has been completed. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If yes, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.